guys, welcome back my awesome students. Today we will focus on how to download Kali Linux OS. So without wasting my time, let's go to google.com and let's find the ISO file or image of Kali Linux. Just type Kali Linux 2021. Alright, so here Kali Linux 2021 installer ADB, and then just click the first link. Just select the first link, and here we will select the Kali Linux 2021.1 installer AMD64.io server. That is the 4 gig one. Yeah, this one. I mean this one. We will download this one. So without wasting my time, let's download it. Yeah, I have already downloaded it because I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Try much as possible, get fastest internet and download it, and I will see you on the next lesson. Thank you for watching this video.